In this video, I'll show you how to use this little app to track your personal finances. To enter a new transaction, you should press the New Enter button. Next, select transaction type. Select an account. Select a date in the pop-up calendar. Enter the amount of the transaction. Write a code if necessary. Finally, save the entered data by clicking on the Save button. After entering, the last transaction will appear at the top of the transaction list on the left and will be highlighted additionally. Let's enter some other transaction. The top will show a pie chart of income and expenses for the current months. Histogram grouped by months throughout the year. To edit previously entered transactions, you should select the necessary transaction in the list of transactions on the left side. Change the value in the required field. Let's change, for example, the date field and press the Update button. To delete a transaction, you should also select the desired transaction from the list. Press the Delete Entry button. Confirm the deletion operation in the following window. To delete all transactions, you should press the Delete All Entries button and confirm the deletion operation in the following prompt window. You also have the option to add new income and expense accounts on the transaction sheet. For example, let's add new accounts to income and expenses tables, and they will automatically appear in the account field. Let's enter some transactions on the new accounts. That's all. If you want to purchase this app, you can buy it from my Etsy store at the link below this video. Enjoy using it!